Sibelius is professional music notation software. If someone sent you a score, you can view, play, and print it using the free Sibelius First version or the Scorch Web plugin. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the tool. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn SIB files, you need a software that can work outside the box, a true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. A SIB file is a music notation file created by Sibelius. It contains musical scores including notes, rests, clefs, time signatures, and other musical symbols. SIB files are used for composing, arranging, and sharing musical compositions. They can be opened and edited using Sibelius software, allowing musicians to create and manipulate complex musical scores. SIB files are structured to store a wide range of musical information, including instrument parts, dynamics, articulations, and lyrics. The format supports various playback options, allowing users to hear the score as it is written. Sibelius uses a proprietary format, ensuring compatibility and feature support within the Sibelius ecosystem. Avid technology maintains the integrity of the SIB specification through Avid Sibelius. The file is only recognizable by its name and size in Windows Explorer. Windows can open many audio files directly, but production-grade work needs a dedicated editor. To force file access, right-click your SIB file and select Open With. If Avid Sibelius is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If the SIB file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Since this SIB format is so specific, the error is likely a simple resource issue. Let's verify these essential technical details before we proceed. First, use Sibelius. Open the file using Avid Sibelius, the required application for the musical score. Next, check version. Ensure your Sibelius version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, convert to MIDI PDF. Use the software's export function to save the score as a universal format like .midi or PDF. When every program on your system rejects your SIB file, it's often a sign of a duplicate identity where different apps use the same three-letter label for different things. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When it's time to stop the troubleshooting, your one-click fix is a universal viewer. I recommend FileMagic. It opens almost any SIB format. Get it at filemagic.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help. Hope to see you back soon.